Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to be working on my daily, which is a Hyundai I30 wagon, and what I've done is I broke the inner door handle. It's meant to be connected, but it broke, so I'm going to have to take this off, so pretty much pull that off, and I think there's a screw behind there and maybe one down here or something. Yeah, another one down there, and this whole door should just pull off. So I'm gonna try to do that. So I pretty much just got a little screwdriver and pry the little tabs off, and there's a screw behind the door handle there, and there's also one down in there. So just gotta unscrew these now. It's pretty simple. Get a star screwdriver, Phillips head, whatever you want to call it. Take that one out, drop it on the floor, and then there's one down in here as well. Oh. Just undo this. This one's a bit tight because it's a bit crusty. This car's got like 350,000 Ks on it. Bought it real cheap. But yeah, she's a good runner. And then now I think it should all just come apart. I'll have a look. Okay, yeah, so I figured it out. Yeah, once you got that screw out there, that plastic bit just comes out like that. And then you sort of just got to reef on like the bottom of the door and yeah, just pull it away. It does take a little bit of force, and the rest of it should come off. Probably meant to take that off too, but yeah, so yeah, I've just got to pull that off. So I'll do that and then I'll be able to get the door off. Alright, so yeah, that thing just pops off. Well, it's just got little tabs like on the back of it. No screw, so yeah, it all just pops on. And yeah, I just unplugged the power window switch as well, and yeah, the rest of the door card, it come off pretty easily. So now what we'll do is just the 3 screws, so 1, 2, 3, undo them, and I've got my new one down here, and yeah, it's the same, so pretty much, yeah, unscrew that and we'll be able to put it all back on. Alright, so once you've got that off, it should just fall down, and behind it here is the wires and stuff, I suppose, but just look which one does what, because they're both different lengths. So yeah, just remember, and to get these out, you sort of just pull them up. Oh yeah, it's a bit hard to do it one-handed, but yeah, they just come out, but I'll just do that because I need 2 hands. Alright, so I've got the new one in there now. As you can see, you sort of just got to find the little balls and put them back in their spot and sort of massage. What I did is got this end in first on an angle, pushed it down and then back, and it locked in. It was pretty tight, but yeah, it's in there now. So yeah, pretty much just put it all back together now, which is pretty simple. So just line it all back up to where it was and screw it all back on, and it should work again. So I'll put it all back together really quick and then we'll give it a test. Alright, so I just put everything all back together and now it's all done, and I've got a handle there again now, so hooray. Yeah, this is my little daily Hyundai I30 wagon. It's got a heap of Ks on it, like 348,000, and yeah, she's just an auto, but just keeps going and going and going. Big 2-litre in it, but yeah, thanks for watching the video. Gonna go down and do my Skyline soon, got a 32 sedan if you haven't already seen, but yeah, it's getting heaps of stuff done and almost ready to drive again, so hopefully you'll see some of those videos come out real soon. So bye.